Here's something unsettling. Most people aren't controlled by force. They're controlled by psychology. They don't even notice. That friend who always gets the last word. The coworker who makes you agree without even thinking. The person who can walk into any room and instantly shift the energy. They're not lucky. They're using psychological triggers that work on almost everybody, 99% of the time. And once you recognize these tricks, you'll stop falling for them and start using them correctly, ethically, and powerfully. Let's break them down. Dark psychology isn't about manipulation for manipulation's sake. It's about understanding the hidden buttons in human behavior, the things people respond to without realizing. Think about the last time someone made you feel guilty for saying no, or made you agree to something you weren't fully okay with. You probably didn't notice the trick until hours later. This matters because the world rewards people who understand influence and punishes the ones who stay blind to it. So today, I'll show you 5 dark psychology tricks that almost always work, and how to defend yourself from them while using them ethically in your own life. Trick 1. The pause of power. Here's a secret. Silence is more influential than talking. When someone confronts you, asks you a question, or challenges you, pause for 2 seconds before responding. It triggers social tension. Your silence forces their brain to fill the gap with insecurity. Example, someone asks, "Are you sure you can handle this?" Pause. Hold eye contact. Then calmly say, "I only commit to things I know I'll finish." You instantly flip the power dynamic. Use this when you want to appear confident. Recognize it when someone tries to intimidate you with silence. Trick 2. The 70% reveal. People trust what they think they discovered about you. So instead of oversharing, use the 70% rule. Reveal just enough to seem open, but leave the last 30% unspoken. Example, this project meant a lot to me for personal reasons. You didn't explain the reasons. Their imagination does the work. People chase mystery. They respect what they can't fully read. This trick makes others feel like they understand you, even though they don't. And yes, it works on almost everyone. Trick 3. The redirect. This is how you control conversations without controlling people. When someone pushes you, judges you, or tries to get personal, don't defend. Redirect. Example, why aren't you dating anyone? Instead of explaining, say, interesting question. What makes you ask that? Instantly, they're the ones answering. Redirecting makes people rethink their approach and stops them from digging where you don't want them to dig. It's subtle, smooth, and incredibly effective. Trick 4. The emotional mirror. Humans match energy automatically, so if you want someone to open up, don't push. Mirror their emotional tone. If they're frustrated, talk calmly, but seriously. If they're excited, match that spark. This activates the brain's social bonding system. They feel like you get them instantly. Elite negotiators use this. Top therapists use it. Charismatic people use it without realizing. It makes people trust you fast. Trick 5. The scarcity trigger. People want what feels limited. Time, attention, opportunities. Scarcity creates value faster than anything else. So instead of saying, "Let me know whenever you want to talk," say, "I'm around for the next 20 minutes if you want to chat." Instead of, "I'm free anytime," say, I'm available Wednesday at 6. Limited access equals higher perceived importance. People prioritize you without you forcing anything. This one works 99% of the time because the human brain is wired to chase what feels rare. Story: the man who controlled the room. I once heard a story about a mentor who walked into a meeting where everyone was arguing. Tension, ego, chaos. He didn't say a word. He just sat down, placed his notebook on the table, and looked at each person for a split second. The room went silent. Then, slowly and calmly, he said, "Everyone here seems emotional. Let's restart. No yelling, no demanding, just power, built on silence, mystery, mirroring, and scarcity of his reactions." He controlled the entire room without raising his voice once. That's dark psychology done ethically. Your transformation starts now. Use these techniques consistently and you'll notice something powerful. People start respecting you without you asking. Conversations feel easier. You stop getting pushed around. Your confidence rises, not from ego, but from knowing you control your presence. Your relationships get healthier, your boundaries get stronger, and your mind gets sharper. This is how influence works: quiet, subtle, undeniable. If you found value in breaking down these hidden triggers, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next deep dive into human behavior. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 5 dark psychology tricks are you going to master first? Or should we push for a part 2 with even deeper, more advanced techniques? Let me know in the comments below.